Sick of uneven finishes, swirl marks, and sandpaper that won't stay put? You're not alone, and the right Orbital sander fixes all of it. Today, we're counting down the 20 best Orbital sanders on the market, looking at power, speed, dust control, and comfort, so you can find the one that fits your workshop and your budget. Let's get into it. Number 20. DEWALT DWE6423K. The DEWALT DWE6423K is a dependable corded pick built for anyone who wants consistent results without a steep learning curve. Its 3 AMP motor spins between 8,000 and 12,000 orbits per minute, and a separate counterweight cuts down on vibration for smoother, more comfortable sanding. The shorter body lets you get closer to your workpiece, while the locking dust pack or direct connection to a DEWALT dust extractor keeps your space clean. If you want a trusted brand name and solid everyday performance, this one delivers. Number 19. Bosch ROS 20 VSC. The Bosch ROS 20 VSC blends fast material removal with a finish smooth enough for cabinet work. A variable speed dial lets you dial in anywhere from 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, depending on the task. And the hook and loop system with over 35,000 grip points keeps discs firmly attached. Its microfilter dust canister traps particles down to half a micron, and a pad dampening system helps eliminate swirl marks. For finished carpenters or serious DIYers chasing a professional-grade surface, this kit earns its keep. Number 18. Makita BO5041K. Makita's BO5041K is built around control, starting with an adjustable front handle that makes tight corners and confined spaces manageable. The 3 AMP motor offers a wide speed range from 4,000 to 12,000 OPM, and oversized sealed bearings are engineered for a long service life. A through-the-pad dust collection system with a built-in vacuum port adapter keeps debris out of your way. For woodworkers and contractors who sand daily, this is a tool built to hold up to real use. Number 17. SKIL SR211601. The SKIL SR211601 is all about keeping your workspace clean without sacrificing finish quality. Its 2 8-amp motor reaches up to 13,000 orbits per minute, and the X-Flow cyclonic dust system uses centrifugal force to pull dust into an easy-to-empty, see-through container. A counterweight balance design keeps vibration low, and the compact shape helps you maneuver into tighter spots. For anyone who hates constantly wiping down their bench, this sander makes cleanup a lot less of a chore. Number 16. Porter Cable 382. Sometimes simple is exactly what you need, and the Porter Cable 382 sticks to the basics that matter. It's a lightweight 3.6-pound sander with fully sealed ball bearing construction and a dust-sealed switch to protect the internals over time. There's no frills here, just steady sanding speed and a compact frame that's easy to handle for extended stretches. If you want an affordable, no-nonsense sander for occasional projects, this one gets the job done. Number 15. Milwaukee 2648 20M18. The Milwaukee 2648 brings cordless freedom to the random orbit category. Running on the M18 red lithium battery platform, it hits up to 12,000 max OPM with a 7,000 to 12,000 variable speed dial, giving you the flexibility to match speed to material. On a 3.0 Ah battery, you can expect up to 35 minutes of continuous run time. For tradespeople already invested in Milwaukee's M18 lineup, adding this sander means one less cord to deal with on the job site. Number 14. Ryobi RS290G. The Ryobi RS290G is a compact, budget-conscious option that still packs real speed, hitting 12,500 OPM from a 2.6 AMP motor. At just 4 pounds, it's easy on the arms during longer sessions, and the hex-notched rubber grip keeps your hold secure even with sweaty or slippery hands. A built-in dust bag catches sawdust as you go, and the included hook and loop pads mean it's ready to use straight out of the box. It's a solid pick for casual refinishing and touch-up work. Number 13. BLACK+DECKER BDERO100. The BLACK+DECKER BDERO100 is an entry-level sander aimed at homeowners tackling occasional paint, stain, and varnish removal. Its 2 MP motor runs at 12,000 OPM, enough for a swirl-free finish on wood, metal, or plastic. The comfort grip handle reduces fatigue, and the lock-on paddle switch makes it easy to operate for extended periods. With hook and loop paper changes and a built-in dust bag, this is a straightforward, affordable choice for lighter household projects. Number 12. Metabo HPTSV13YST. The Metabo HPTSV13YST is a compact finishing sander designed for carpentry and furniture work. Its 230-watt, 280 MP motor covers a 9,000 to 13,000 RPM range, and the palm-style soft grip cuts down on vibration during long sessions. At just 3.1 pounds, it's easy to maneuver for hours without wearing you out. The kit includes a dust collection hose adapter and backing paper to get you started, and it's backed by a 5-year professional warranty. Number 11. WEN 6301. The WEN 6301 takes a different approach, focusing purely on precision detail work. This palm sander delivers 13,500 OPM from a compact 1-amp motor, and its angled tip design makes it ideal for getting into corners and tight edges that bigger sanders can't reach. At only 2 pounds, it's genuinely comfortable for extended detail sessions, and a vacuum adapter keeps dust under control. For fine woodworking accents and small-scale touch-ups, this little sander punches well above its size. Number 10. Ridgid R2601. The Ridgid R2601 is built around dust control, capturing up to 90% of particles during operation for a noticeably cleaner work environment. Its electronic speed dial ranges from 7,000 to 12,000 RPM, and a soft start feature combined with a pad brake helps prevent gouging when you first power it on. The through-body sealed slide switch adds long-term reliability, while overmolded grips keep things comfortable at multiple hand positions. It's a well-rounded choice for regular home workshop use. Number 9. Genesis GROS 2304. The Genesis GROS 2304 keeps things simple and budget-friendly without cutting corners on essentials. A 2 amp motor spins the pad at 12,000 orbits per minute using true random orbit motion, which helps speed up sanding jobs that would otherwise eat up your afternoon. The rubberized palm grip keeps you in control on furniture and detail projects, and the hook and loop system makes swapping grits fast. For DIYers just building out their tool collection, this is an accessible starting point. Number 8. CRAFTSMAN CM-EW231. The CRAFTSMAN CM-EW231 pairs a capable 3MP 12,000 OPM sander with genuine everyday usability. High-performance dust collection includes both an onboard bag and a port that connects to a standard 1 1/4-inch vac hose, so you can scale up your dust control as needed. It's a straightforward corded tool built for consistent results on wood prep and finish work. For anyone who wants a trusted name at a fair price, this is a dependable middle-of-the-road pick. Number 7. HYCHIKA Random Orbital Sander. The HYCHIKA sander leans on speed and flexibility, with a 300-watt motor and 6 variable speed settings topping out at 13,000 RPM. 8 vacuum holes feed into a large-capacity dust bag, so you can work through hours of sanding before needing to empty it. The textured rubber grip is shaped differently for horizontal and vertical surfaces, helping keep one-handed control precise at any angle. With 12 sanding discs across 3 grits included, it's ready to tackle wood finishing and rust removal right away. Number 6. WORKPRO Random Orbit Sander. The WORKPRO sander stands out for its wide speed range, running anywhere from 7,000 to 14,000 OPM across 6 settings. That flexibility means you can slow things down for delicate finish work or speed up for faster material removal. Its 2.5 MP motor uses true random orbit motion to blend orbital and rotational movement, minimizing visible sanding marks. 15 sandpaper sheets across 5 grits come in the box, giving you everything needed to start sanding wood, plastic, or light metal immediately. Number 5. Festool ETS 125 REQ Plus. The Festool ETS 125 REQ Plus is aimed squarely at professionals who won't compromise on finish quality. Its ergonomic shape fits comfortably in any hand size, and the compact, lightweight build holds up well during extended vertical or overhead sanding. Step-less variable speed lets you fine-tune output to the exact application, while the vibration stop design smooths out operation for a noticeably better result. The Jetstream dust extraction system pulls debris away efficiently, extending both air quality and abrasive life. It ships in Festool's Sys-Gen 3 sustainer case for organized storage. Number 4. Rockwell RK424 7K. The Rockwell RK424 7K focuses on comfort through its vibra-free technology, which is designed to reduce vibration by up to half compared to standard sanders. A cyclonic dust and air separator captures noticeably more debris than a typical cloth bag, and a pad brake helps limit swirl marks and scoring on your workpiece. At just 3.3 pounds and 3 AMPS, it's light enough for long sanding sessions. It also comes with a molded carry case, making it easy to transport between job sites. Number 3. Galax PRO 5-inch Orbital Sander. The Galax PRO Sander offers serious value, with a 280-watt motor reaching up to 13,000 OPM across 6 variable speeds. Its 125mm pad is sized well for covering larger surfaces quickly, whether you're sanding wood, metal, or plastic, or stripping old paint and varnish. A built-in dust collection bag keeps your view clear as you work, and the rubberized soft grip handle with a lock-on button adds comfort during longer stretches. 15 sanding discs across 3 grits come included, so it's ready right out of the box. Number 2. Dongcheng DSA 125. The Dongcheng DSA 125 is engineered for durability as much as performance, with a 3 AMP copper motor running at a steady 12,000 OPM. The manufacturer states its structural design extends the sander's lifespan by over 20% compared to similar palm sanders. A counterweight balanced build reduces vibration, and a 9-foot power cord gives you extra reach around the workspace. The kit includes 10 sandpaper sheets, a dust collector, and even a spare set of carbon brushes, making it a well-stocked option for long-term use. Number 1. Avid Power 20V Cordless Orbital Sander. Taking the top spot is the Avid Power 20V Cordless Orbital Sander, and it earns the position by combining true cordless convenience with genuine control. 6 variable speeds ranging from 7,000 to 11,000 RPM let you match power to the test, while the 20-volt 2.0 battery keeps you moving without a cord in the way. 8 vacuum holes feed into a removable dust bag for a cleaner workspace, and the textured rubber grip makes one-handed operation comfortable. With 30 sandpaper sheets across 3 grits included, it's a complete, portable package for quick projects and touch-ups around the house.